create single part drawing. For that, I just filter this sheet and all, double click outside, then go to the filter, just make like this filter, modify and click OK. You will get it only like this structures. Now you can select any part. You can select complete part also, you can create, or you can select some part and you can create the single part drawing. Before creating single part drawing, here also you can go to drawing properties. You will get it here, single part drawing properties. You can go here, you will get it the properties. You are going to create beam, column, plate, whatever you want to create, you can select that one, you will get it the properties. Now I just select here column, then I apply and click OK. You can select the column. Now I just select this column, then you can right click and you can create the drawing also. You can create all the drawings, or you can select this one. Now I just go to create drawing. You can create the single part drawing, but you need to select the object, that is very important. So single part drawing, click here, within few seconds it will create. Now just go to the document manager. If you go to the single part drawing, you can see what we created the drawing. If you double click this one, this drawing will open. Here it is open. You will get it all the details perfectly. Wherever we used this same H3, you will get it this all the three column used this H3, and how many quantity used, total quantity, and here it is material, profile, grade, quantity, length, area, and here it is weight. Everything you will get it. If you made any changes also, that changes also automatically update here. So now this one is prepared. You can see here this hole is not coming. Select this hole, right click, add part mark, add mark, select here using view properties. You will get it here like this. This is 40 number of hole, 22 dia. Now I just close this one. Similar way you can create single part drawing. Single part drawing you will get it perfectly. You can select any plate, you can create the single part drawing, or you can select all the things, then you can go to create drawing. You can select the single part drawing, all the drawing will create, but it will take too much time because a lot of numbers we have. You need to select one by one. You can create, or you can select all the things you can create. It will take at least 10-15 minutes. So this is the way you can create single part drawing in Tecla structure.